At this building of the Federated Technical and Vocational Training Institute in Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa, students could learn various technological skills. The facility houses the Ethiopian Luban workshop.
Sometimes I'm working with Luban workshop. So in Ethiopia, it's very necessary. Most of the students working with and also practice with Luban workshop. That's very necessary and also important in our institution.
Over the years, the Luban workshop has become a symbol of China's commitment to sharing its advanced vocational education expertise with Africa, with more than a dozen similar institutions opened across the continent. To help African countries improve their medical services, China has dispatched medical personnel and provided medical aid to African countries for decades. In collaboration with the Comoros Anti-Malaria Center, the China Malaria Prevention and Control Project team in the Comoros has led malaria prevention efforts and related training since 2007. By 2017, experts from both nations had reduced the malaria incidence in the Comoros by over 99%, effectively eradicating malaria-related fatalities.
Quand j'ai commencé à travailler avec les Chinois, c'était en 2012. Et puis c'est en 2016 que je suis vraiment devenu parmi les membres de l'équipe chinoise pour l'élimination du paludisme aux Comores. Et puis en 2018, je suis parti en Chine. Et puis à partir de là, souvent je pars en Chine pour des formations. Et la plupart des formations qu'on a fait, ce sont des formations qui sont liées à l'élimination du paludisme. Donc on a appris l'expertise et l'expérience de la Chine pour l'élimination du paludisme en Chine.